Ow. Oh, get that thing wet. What's this? Take a raid. Is this what I think it is? I'm going to Caracou in our plan. Morris Bishop plan? Let me go and call this man and tell him what's going on. And if you're battery in this one now. Blackberry be like. Hello.
Hello.
Is this security service?
Yes, this is me.
Yes, I will need you to come put some of this security thing on me.
Oh,
Yes, because I'm traveling to go Caracou. No, I don't want nobody with me.
well, I'll be there in a jiffy.
Alright.
All right.
Alright then. Come. Thank you very much.
Time to show them the upgrade, boy. The upgrade, boy. Now, boy, we got poof. Show him. 5 years job, we have also. Yeah. All right. Upgrade. Hey.
I don't want them to shoot my arm.
Ready, please? Come on, let me shut on. Neighbor? Hello?
Hello.
Come on. You know inside?
I was just sleeping.
Well, listen now, this is the security man.
Security man?
Yeah.
I is not no security.
No, I am the security.
Oh, come inside, come inside.
Alright, where you located?
At the top of the house.
Oh, there you are, my friend.
Yes, man.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Yeah. This is the new system. New system. It's talkable, it's actable, and it's variable.
Wow.
Yes.
It's very dirty.
Don't worry about the dirtiness.
I know.
The quality is very good. Let me put it on and I'll show you what I'm talking about.
Yes, man, I want to see.
Yes, let me put it on.
Hey, don't go over there, man. I tell you come in the house, not in my living room. Come here. Plug it down there.
Look down there.
Yes.
Alright.
Take your shit on me, aisle.
I tell you, 0, nothing, 1, something. Right? 0, nothing, 1, something. Here's the cat. 0, nothing, 1, something. Alright. So when you activate it, a voice control can come on.
Yes, man.
Hello! Hello, this is me! I am the security at the house.
You talking about the thing, man?
No. That is how it does talk.
Oh, alright.
Alright, well listen. You have my number, call me anytime.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Hey, don't pass me the living room. Go on. Damn security staying right on the side of me there, you know. So when I'm playing my enemy's friend, what do you mean? When you go out at this island, I'm going quite in Caracou. I'm flying on a plane. First time.
Two hours later.
Wait till I take the sauce. I'm going to Caracou. Use that technique and break my pose.
Don't touch me!
Who
Don't touch me! You can't stop touch me!
attacking me?
Don't touch me! Why you taking me for?
Who talking
Why
me?
you look like what?
Who talking me?
I am the host.
The horse?
Yes.
What horse?
I am the truth, the flesh, and the spirit.
So then stress her business, what do
I said don't touch me! Murder! 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 Gone blue! Gone blue! He's different! Robbery! Robbery! Robbery!
Okay, people, Christmas coming up, you understand? And I do make sure that I have to live all your home secure and stuff like that because you have a thief and thing around, you understand? Exactly. So that was a video they will do now as a new and improved, burglar proof. security system. You understand? You could get it on www.security/never.com. You understand? Or you could get it. You could call me on my phone. That 14387-1. And this here me co-host. Yeah, that is chief anyways. And also the Chinese. Yes, people, well, this is we, and we are back in action, back than ever, back than before. Yeah, we're going to do it every week. We're going to do it more than ever. Ever. So look out. We coming through. Look out. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.